In the last 2 hours, the Trade Confident account is actually up $17,000 just from this little move that's happening today. And this profit is thanks to that actionable insight we will be showing you tomorrow. Bitcoin has officially posted a sell signal here on the 1-day time frame. Now, is this going to call the top, or are we going to see a slight move up to form a head and shoulders pattern before crashing back down? Either way, big moves to the downside are coming, and in this video, I want to show you exactly where we are looking in order to buy the next drop. Let's jump into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thank you so much for joining us today. As a heads up, we've officially won 3 new trades. We are 129 wins, 0 losses on our 11-month trading record. Now, there are a few more trades for you to take at this moment, and if the market continues moving up as we are looking for through the next day or two, I think we could see some more trade wins. So stay updated here. And this just in, Travis just bought another $1,400 worth of altcoins yesterday and will be buying 60,000 more. Now, this information will come out on our future forecast videos. You do not want to miss out on these. Every Tuesday and Friday, we provide actionable insight into the crypto market. Join us for our $1 million 400% profit crypto challenge. And the next few videos are going to be absolutely crucial to your analysis. So do not miss out on that. And one last thing here, in the last 2 hours, the Trade Confident account is actually up $17,000 just from this little move that's happening today. And this is all thanks again to the future forecast videos. Everything we show in that members only content we are doing ourselves. So do not miss out. Do everything you can to maximize your profits with the future forecast videos and the trade setups. All of that and more available with the membership in the links in the description down below. With that, we are going to begin our analysis. We're heading straight into the Bitcoin metrics, and we're going to run through these really fast. Bitcoin emotional index here is still in neutral territory after jumping up from fearful. Usually when we drop into fearful, this is where we're seeing moves up, and until we see excited or greedy, I think we're going to see a little bit of a further move up. So very slightly bullish for me for the emotional index. And as we move down here to the Bitcoin whale smart money metric, we are beginning to see short trade sentiment. However, it is really not that much quite yet. Personally, I like to see as far down as around -800, right around this mark, before we really begin seeing short trades. But keep in mind, this shows what whales are likely to do soon. This is the near future. If you want to see what whales are actively doing, we need to pay attention to the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart. And as the previous metric predicted, we are seeing moves down in the market. A little bit of short trading is happening. Whales are selling. If this continues, we should see pretty significant drops to the downside, because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So if we see on the live charts a little bit of a tick up here, this means whales are going to move money into the market and the price should rise. If whale money continues dropping out of the market, this will absolutely drop the price. Last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. Now, we received a sell signal, and the previous 2 signals have resulted in pretty significant moves down. So I think this is going to play out exactly the same. I think we are going to see drops in the next few days from this sell signal. Now, if you are a Bitcoin trader, you need to be paying very close attention to these metrics. Our members get access to the Bitcoin metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. As a member, you'll be able to join us for those future forecast videos, those trade setups. We just won 3 more for a total 15% added profit. Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts every month, morning brew overview every single weekday morning, massive discounts on our indicators, and more. If you want to join us, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. Full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. Grab a membership now because price increases are coming soon. It'll include everything I just showed you and more. Click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we are heading into the live charts. I'm looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Now, we are reading fairly neutral on these indicators. As I told you in the metrics, price versus well money flow here is kind of evening out. We saw a little bit of a dip on the metric, But if whales continue moving sideways or even upwards, this is where we should see continued moves to the upside. And personally, I think we're going to max out around the $45,000 mark. Currently, we're testing resistance at $43,569 though. Now, if we touch that $45,000 mark, this could create what's called a head and shoulders pattern. This is a really, really rough one. But if you can see here, we got a left shoulder, we got the neckline, we got the head, and we've dropped down a little bit farther than the neckline. It's a little bit messy, but if we see a move up to $45,000 again, this would be a confirmation, and most often head and shoulders will result in pretty significant moves to the downside. Now, at that point, around that $45,000 mark, whale money should be high. We should see trades in favor much higher with a chance of a drop, probably around 70% chance of a drop. And we have this sell signal already in play, and all three of these most often result in pretty significant moves to the downside as well. So that is 2 bearish points from technical analysis on the 1 day. With that, we do want to check the 1 week. Here we see price versus whale money flow high with whale money moving out of the market. This is bearish. Trades in favor is high with a 74% chance of a drop, bearish, and we got a sell and strong sell signal, once again bearish. And the combination of all three of these signals on the larger time frame most often result in pretty significant moves down. You can see right here, price versus whale money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, we got that move down. And it happened multiple times again back here. Just a sequence of price versus whale money flow high, trades in favor high, and sell signals. All of them resulted in those moves down. So that is exactly what we're looking for on the 1 week and the 1 day time frame. Pretty bearish signals overall. So after a small move up to around $45,000, as we've been saying for the past week or so, we will be expecting moves to the downside, somewhere between $31,862 and as high as $38,000. Somewhere in this range, we're honestly thinking around $34,000. Now, there is a very specific reason for $34,000, and Travis has been covering this in his future forecast videos. So that's members only content. We can't go right into that here. But if you want more information, be sure to join our membership for those future forecast videos. Now, a membership will also help you get massive discounts on these indicators. You've seen what we're looking for on the top. Now, as the price drops on the weekly time frame specifically, this is what we're looking for to catch the bottom. We're going to stay on the weekly for this, but we want to see price versus whale money flow low. We want to see trades in favor low, and I want to see a buy signal. Once we see all three of these, that will signal the next bottom and potential move up in Bitcoin. And from the current price, this would be a drop of about 25%. And as this plays out, you need to be paying very close attention to these indicators. They've helped us predict the market like crazy, and thanks to them, we are 129 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades when trading in combination with our risk management strategy. Absolutely insane. Now, if you want to snag these, as I told you earlier, members get significant discounts. So be sure to have your membership. And once you do, links to the indicators are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to our Pro Indicator page. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. Members get $150 off right off the bat. So access the coupon code at this link, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down and click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next future forecast video. Don't miss out.